Today we are unboxing the Pocket Video Light Liber from Pixel. Now I did buy this with my own money. Let's crack it open. Now let's see what's inside. So let's go ahead and pull out this little box. And we've got a hot shoe adapter that swivels, which is pretty nice. These little metallic plates that are have sticky backs so that you can stick it onto the wall or whatever, and then just take the light and stick it to it as it's magnetic, and a USB-C charging cable. And it looks like we have a manual in Chinese. Great. Oh, here's the English side. Let's open this up. TLDR. So let's pull this out. It's got a nice silicone cover on it. It's got a nice feel. Let's go ahead and pop it out. And here you can actually see the LEDs directly on the unit. Here's the back. It's got a nice solid feel to it, and it's somewhat heavy. Let's put it back together. There we go. And there is a switch right here. Let's turn that on. Interesting how this looks when I'm recording in 24 frames per second. And we got it turned on here, and let's turn it up. Wow, this thing is actually pretty bright. Now this light has several modes. I'll go ahead and just kind of step through some of them here, and also like adjust the brightness if I can figure out how to use it. There we go. Now this is the candle simulation mode. And as you can see, it kind of randomly blinks. And I'll just cycle through a couple other ones here. There's a RGB. It's off. Go back on again. There you go. And this one is simulating lightning, which is pretty cool. And then here, this one is simulating a police light, which in my opinion looks more realistic than the Ulanzi video light that I have that does the same thing. Make sure you're subscribed so that you can see the comparison video that I do between these two. Now I'm using this light to give a dramatic look to a salt and pepper shaker here for Thanksgiving that's coming up. In a future video, I'm going to be comparing the Ulanzi video light to the Pixel. Can you tell me which one is which? Go ahead and drop a comment below, slap like if you haven't already, and also subscribe so you don't miss a beat.